10 recipes to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Much of the mission to lose weight is about consistently having a calorie deficit or burning more calories than you take in every single day. However, this doesn't have to involve feeling starved all the time. Some foods can help you feel full and satisfied throughout the day without loading you up on calories. By sticking with such foods, you will have a daily calorie deficit, and it won't take too long before you've lost a massive amount of weight. Following are 10 recipes to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. All are meant to produce 4 servings so you can make them ahead, store them in single-serving portions, and heat as you go. 10. Tomato scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 6 eggs, olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 medium tomatoes diced, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: in a bowl, scramble eggs until light and fluffy, set aside. In a frying pan, heat the olive oil. Sauté onions until slightly translucent. Add in tomatoes. Pour in scrambled eggs. Season with salt and pepper. Stir occasionally until thoroughly cooked. Before we continue, we would like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. 9. Cinnamon Raisin Overnight Oats. Ingredients: 2 cups rolled oats, 2 cups any nut milk, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Procedure: in a sealable container, combine all the ingredients. Make sure that everything is submerged in milk. Keep in the fridge for at least 2 hours before eating. Enjoy it cold or pop it in the microwave. 8. Ratatouille. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 6 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium onion sliced thinly, 1 bay leaf, 1 eggplant sliced in 1/2 inch rounds, 1 zucchini sliced in 1/2 inch cubes, 1 red bell pepper sliced into thin strips, 4 tomatoes cubed, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup fresh basil leaves roughly chopped, black pepper to taste. Procedure: in a skillet, heat olive oil. Sauté garlic until slightly browned. Add in onion and bay leaf. Add eggplant and cook until softened. Add the zucchini, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Add in salt and stir. Turn off the heat when vegetables are tender. Add in basil and season with black pepper. 7. Red lentil soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 carrot peeled and diced, 2 stalks celery sliced, 1 small onion diced, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup dried red lentils, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 bay leaf, juice of 1/2 lemon. Procedure: in a saucepan, heat olive oil. Add in carrot, celery, onion, and salt. Stir occasionally until onions are translucent. Add in the lentils, broth, and bay leaf. Bring to a boil before lowering the heat for a steady simmer. Cover and let simmer for at least 20 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the lemon juice. 6. Fried cauliflower rice. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 carrot cubed, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup frozen edamame, 2 eggs scrambled, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 6 green onions sliced thinly. Procedure: pulse chop cauliflower in a food processor until the pieces resemble grains of rice. In a skillet, heat sesame oil. Add in carrots and garlic. Sauté until carrot has softened slightly. Add in the cauliflower and edamame. Add in scrambled eggs and stir occasionally until thoroughly cooked. Remove from heat and add in soy sauce and green onions. Mix well before serving. 5. Vegetable soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 onion minced, 4 cups chicken broth, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 head cabbage chopped, 2 carrots peeled and sliced, 2 stalks of celery sliced, 4 tomatoes cubed. Procedure: in a pot, heat olive oil. Add in garlic and onion and sauté until fragrant. Pour in chicken broth and bring to a boil. Lower heat and season broth with salt, thyme, and black pepper. Add in cabbage, carrots, celery, and tomatoes. Stir occasionally until vegetables are thoroughly cooked. 4. Shrimp salad. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber chopped, 1/2 turnip chopped, 1/2 ripe mango diced, 1/4 onion chopped, 1/2 avocado chopped, 1 small tomato sliced, 12 pieces of shrimp peeled and cooked, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 pinch red pepper flakes. Procedure: in a large salad bowl, toss all ingredients until evenly combined. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Enjoy cold. 3. Ribbon zucchini salad. Ingredients: 2 zucchini, shaved lengthwise into ribbons, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 2 tablespoons black olives pitted and halved, 2 tablespoons feta cheese diced, 1 tablespoon pine nuts toasted, 1½ tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, black pepper to taste. Procedure: in a large salad bowl, toss all ingredients until evenly combined. Enjoy cold. 2. Spring roll bowl. Ingredients: 4 ounces of thin rice noodles, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 24 asparagus spears trimmed and boiled, 1/2 head cabbage shredded, 2 tablespoons fresh basil leaves chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh mint leaves chopped, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 cup carrot julienned, 1 cup beets julienned, 1 cup bell pepper julienned. Procedure: prepare noodles as per package directions. Toss noodles in toasted sesame oil. Toss in all ingredients and mix until thoroughly combined. Enjoy cold. 1. Tofu vegetable soup. Ingredients: 12 ounces extra firm tofu cubed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, 2 cups chicken broth, 14½ ounce can of spaghetti sauce, 3 cups button mushrooms, 1/2 cup frozen peas, 1/2 cup asparagus in 1-inch pieces, 1/2 cup bell pepper, 1/3 cup sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 cup green olives pitted and sliced. Procedure: place tofu in a bowl. Add oil and Italian seasoning to marinate for at least 2 hours. In a large pot, cook tofu with seasoned oil until browned. Add broth and tomato sauce and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and add mushrooms, peas, and asparagus. When the vegetables are tender, add in bell peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, and olives. Continue simmering for another minute and remove from heat. By cycling through these recipes for 2 weeks, you'll be taking in fewer calories than you burn every single day. That puts you in the best position for weight loss. Using these 10 recipes to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, you'll be able to achieve your weight loss goals, even without spending hours at the gym and without starving yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.